So what's good, guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how I make over 25k per week just with organic dropshipping. And not just me, you can see here the private community with over 200 plus members. They're printing too. They're printing with ads, they're printing with organic. You see 1 million views here. They're printing, they just made the first sale. Here a guy that made 30k in 1 day. So yeah, we know what we're doing. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the product research, the real marketing strategy, mistakes you should avoid, and how to increase sales. This is the most important thing. I'm gonna tell you how this works at the end from the video. So let's start with the product research. But before we start, what the fuck is even organic dropshipping? It's basically like normal dropshipping, but you don't pay for the ads. You just post organic videos like on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, and you post them and the people will buy it because the people need it, the people like it, and then they're gonna buy it. And now is the perfect time to start. Now you know what fucking organic is, so let's go into the product research. So usually in my videos I explain to sell transformational products, but this video is a other type of video and you need to snipe those products to make money now because it's so easy. They go viral right now, so you need to do this right now. It's a visual product. And what do I mean with visual product? Just look at this. This account makes crazy money and they're just selling fashion. And I'm gonna show you in this video how to create these type of videos, how to source the product, and everything you need. So it's basically impossible not to earn money after this video. So you can see here she's just an AI model showing her clothes off and sell the product inside of the TikTok shop, but we're gonna sell this inside of our own shop. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how to source these products, how to actually make these type of videos, and yeah, that's basically it. So how to source these type of products with good quality so the people not getting mad. Just make a screenshot of this product, boom, go inside of our private community, press on suppliers and send the supplier this fucking screenshot, and that's it. He's gonna source it for you, he's gonna ship it for you, and this is completely easy. The community is linked down below. So now, how do I create those avatars and how do I animate her so she looks real? You just need to go inside of PolarisUGC.com. It's the best software. It's better than Hixfield because it's ecom specific and it's absolutely crazy. And today there's a 50% discount, so just get it. It's like so dumb if you don't have it and you do ecom. So boom, press on image, screenshot her, boom, boom, boom. Gonna make a screenshot out of her. Wait, let me think. This one. Gonna make a screenshot. Boom. Paste it in here. We use generator, prompt generator. Boom, copy it in. Remove the overlay from TikTok. Generate prompt, and now we'll wait. So now I got the prompt. Just copy the JSON. Go inside of the image generator. Press generate, and so just try out Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, and GPT image. Sometimes GPT image is better than Nano Banana 2. It just depends. It's a bit of luck. So yeah, and Polaris is way cheaper than Hixfield. And if you see here, it's timed out. Just press on regenerate and that's it. So now I have an image and she looks real, but I don't want her black. And yeah, so just press on tweak and say, but she should be Asian. We generate and now we wait. So now she's Asian and she's my own avatar. She's a bit black. You could say, yeah, she should be white. I don't care. But now we want to change a bit her clothes to know what we're selling. Just go on Pinterest, say woman clothes, look what looks good. Every clothes low-key in Pinterest that doesn't have a brand on it, you could sell on your store with the supplier, so no worries. We're gonna take this pink shirt, gonna press on tweak, gonna add it here. We're gonna take this pink shirt, we're gonna save it, boom. And then here reference, added, the Chinese woman should wear this pink shirt. Boom, generate. And now we're waiting again. So now she wears this type of clothes and it fits perfect. It looks good. And how the fuck we gonna animate her looking realistic? And with Polaris, it's fucking easy. You're just gonna press on animate. Boom. Then we're gonna use Omni. Boom. And now the prompts should be just simple, like the simplest prompts you could ever imagine. Because if the start frame is good, the video will turn out good. If the prompt is simple, if the reference image is good, it's gonna be good. So what is gonna be the prompt? She should do an outfit check first, walking to the camera, showing the shirt from near and then do a girly. That's it. I hope it's gonna work. We're gonna do 8 seconds. I think 8 seconds is enough. We could also do 10, and then we're just gonna generate it, and now we're gonna wait again. Okay, guys, I was dumb a bit. Wait, you can see.
Do a quick
She's doing it good. It looked realistic, but the thing is, bro, this bitch is fucking talking,
check.
bro. So, the thing you need to do is she should not talk. Yeah, I forgot this. Yeah, now it's gonna work good. So yeah, just wait again. Okay, guys, I cooked with this one. Look at this. Boom. This is perfect for the TikTok, Instagram, Facebook videos, and you can just rip these things here. Boom. Just rip these things. Rip the same clothes. Rip the hashtags. Rip everything, bro. You're gonna make so much money with this now. So if you don't use it right now, you're gonna be left behind because it's an easy money method. Okay, what else? Okay, because I a bit forgot the script, I'm gonna freestyle now. Mistakes you should avoid, okay? With these type of videos, it should look native. She shouldn't say, yeah, buy it here, buy here. The people would ask in the comments if the product looks good, and then you could sell it in your description, in the fucking DMs, or directly in the fucking comments. Yeah, so don't make it too much silly. And make it like more aesthetic because women care a lot of aesthetics. So yeah. Then how to increase sales. This shit works really really good. Like she doesn't do this because it's a TikTok shop product. But if you have here, comment dress, and I'm gonna send the dress in your DMs. The people would comment dress, 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 and this is gonna massively increase your sales. So product research, just find fashion products for now. It's an easy niche. My other videos I said transformational products. This video is a visual product. So there's a bit of new things I'm gonna tell you. The marketing strategy is find these of AI influencers and rip them one by one, just with a different avatar. To get the product, it's inside my private community, like the supplier. He's really good. He's a private supplier. Mistakes you should avoid. Don't make it too silly. Make it native. How to increase sales. A DM funnel is crazy good for this niche. And yeah, use PolarisUGC for creating this type of videos. It's linked down below. It's cheaper than Higgsfield. It's made for e-commerce. So if you don't own PolarisUGC, you're so much left behind because everybody in the e-commerce space uses PolarisUGC.com. So yeah, just get it. And this is gonna be the video. It was a bit weird, but I don't care.